This video will show you how to call in at the start and end of your patient visit to meet the electronic visit verification requirement. To make a visit using telephony, the main thing you need to remember is to call from the patient's phone. It doesn't matter if it's the patient's home phone or cell phone. You also need to remember to call as soon as you arrive at the patient's home. Calling is the same as writing your time on your timesheet. The time that you make this call is the time that will go onto your timesheet and payroll as your start time. Here's what it sounds like when you call to start your visit. First, you dial the number. Your agency has its own unique number to call, and they will give you the number to call. If you're on a cell phone, press the keypad button so you can see the numbers on the keypad. If you are on a landline, you will use the keypad on the phone.
I found some visits attached to your phone number. Please choose one of the following visits. Press 1 for Pat McGee. Press 2 for Ben Lemon. Press star to enter a new employee number.
If you are not calling from the patient phone, you will hear a list of the patient names on your schedule for today. Press the number for the patient you're visiting now.
Press 1 to start the visit for Ben Lemon. Press 2 for finish the visit for Ben Lemon.
As prompted, press 1 to start the visit.
Started the visit. Goodbye.
That's it. The call will end and you've clocked in. Your start time has been stamped and the office can see that you've started your visit. Now you'll complete all the tasks you need to do for that patient. You can reference your paper sheet or the EVV app to see the tasks for this patient for today. When you have completed all the tasks assigned for your visit and you've been at the patient's home for the full scheduled time, you will call again to stamp your end time on the visit right before you leave. To finish a visit using telephony, again, you need to remember to call from the patient's phone, either the home phone or the cell phone. Dial the number. This is the same number you called before, which belongs to your agency. If you're on a cell phone, press the keypad button so you can see the numbers on the keypad. If you're on a landline, you will use the keypad on the phone.
I found an incomplete visit attached to your phone number for Ben Lemon.
The system will know that you're calling about a patient that you've started a visit for already. You will be asked to press 1 to finish the visit.
Press 1 to finish that visit if all tasks are complete. Press 2 to finish the visit. Goodbye.
That's it. The call will end and you're clocked out. Your finish time has been stamped and the office can see that you've completed your visit. You're all done for that visit. Repeat this process at the beginning and end of each visit to each patient, or as your supervisor specifies. Thank you for watching this telephony training, and please call your agency with any questions.